I wanted to show you guys, I know some of you probably have Instagram, some of you may know, some of you may not know, but there's a lot on Instagram in general that you can do. And one of the things that I do is I create these highlight rails for the little stories that I create. So if you've never created a story on Instagram, you can either do it by clicking the plus up here on yourself, or you can do it by hitting the plus down here. And it gives you like all these options. So it's like, do I want to do a post, story, rail, live, right? So I usually just go from here and say I want to do a story from here, and then you can do like story, draft, all that stuff up there. Usually I already have something right here to do. Like I already know what's right there. Like this one I made a little while ago. I made it in Canva, then I took it over to CapCut to slow it down, and then I have it right there. So I already posted this one, but basically what you can do once you're making a story is swipe up. And then you can add captions, you can add shopping if you have a shoppable thing, but we'll get there. We'll show you how to do that at another point. AI stickers, if you have a channel on Instagram, which is a free channel that basically it's a good way to market to a group of people. Like I have the community creators channel, and then I have the Twin Talk channels. So people who are interested in one thing are going to go over there, and the other that are going to another place over here. You can add photos, you can ask for donations, you could do a countdown, and then you can also search for different things. Okay, you can use, like, say you're looking for, I don't know, stars, right? Boop. They're going to have all different types of stars. You could do that for basically anything that you would look for in there, and you can add lots of stuff. Basically, you can ask people questions, or they can ask you questions with one of these. Be like, "Hey, what's up?" and then have them respond. People seem to like that. You can also do polls. So if you want to get rid of that, change it to a poll. You could do a poll, boopity bop, and give them different options. So it's like the best, whatever. And then you can write here like food, poop, whatever. Whatever you want. I'm not doing it in the thing right now. I'm just showing you some of the options that there are. And then hashtags, you want to add hashtags. You can do this thing, be like, yeah, what do you guys think? Ooh. No, I don't like it. Yes, I do like it. Very, very self-explanatory, but they're all right there. Then you would hit OK, boop, and then share it to everybody, or just share it to close friends, or share it in a message, whatever you want to do. But like I said, I've already done this. And then right here, boopy bop, when I go here, what to do is say highlight, right? So I've already done that with it because, like I said, I already did it. So highlight, you would click highlight, and then it's going to show up here in the highlights. And when I have my highlights here, if I want to edit them, I just hold down on them. And you can edit the highlight, and you can edit the cover, and you can edit the title of it. So I've already shared two to it, so that when people go there, they're like, oh, this is her new thing. And oh, she does that. Okay. But to edit the cover, you can upload a whole new picture right here, or you can zoom within this one. Like I just took it to there for now. I'll probably make a different one at some point. But I just wanted to show you guys that that's what you could do with that. And so then when I do a shoppable post, all my shoppable posts go in here. Over the times of the different things that I was offering. My Alcyon light healings are all in here. Like, oh, go get this, go get that, boppity boop. And then you can see like the different decks that I've made over the years. There was like, they're there, okay? And then you can edit your profile here. And I do recommend, utilizing all of the stuff that's on here. I will probably do another video specific to, making all of this stuff, like the best way to do it and all of that. But I just wanted to show you the highlight part for now. So, in Renee, namaste.